Today we're doing Derpy. Eyes first, and some down right here. Now we're gonna do the top. We're basically just gonna place the eyes down. Now that I got this, we just need one more thing, and done. And here's Derpy. We had some extra pieces there.